Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So finally the seat matrix for a special stray vacancy round is published and is available on MCC website. They have published the seat matrix for all India quota and deemed universities separately. Okay, and I have done the analysis. It means how many clinical branches are available, clinical seats are available in DNB diploma and MDMS government colleges, and how many clinical seats are available in deemed universities. Okay, and how many seats are available in general category, OBC, EWS, and SC/ST, as you can see on the screen. And for counseling support, you can call us on 9319128677. This number is also available on WhatsApp. Okay, you can send us WhatsApp message also in case you want to avail the guidance. Okay, we have our counseling guidance slot available. You can procure our guidance package especially for a stay vacancy round, or if you avail it for next year, then it will cover stay vacancy as well. As in case you don't get, then it will be covering 2023 complete guidance. Okay, so this is the analysis. Totally 660 clinical seats are available, including diploma, DNB, and MDMS. So in MDMS, totally 2,292 seats are there. I have not included diploma in government colleges, only the clinical seats. Okay, if the number is here and there by 5 or 10, then you need to excuse me for that. And in DNB clinical, there are 122 seats. Okay, mostly the seats are available in general category 97, in OBC 8, in EWS 4, and SC/ST 8 and 4 seats are there. NB diploma, there are 246, huge number of seats available in NB diploma. Out of 246, 133 seats are available in general category, and 44 seats are available in OBC category, 8 seats in EWS category, 43 seats in SC category, and 18 seats in ST category. If you look at MDMS clinical branches, 292 seats are there, and seats are available in top clinical branches as well. Out of 292, 104 seats available in general category, 74 in OBC, 25 in EWS, and SC has 38 seats, in ST 36 seats. Okay, in deemed university there are just 12 seats available in clinical branches, and mostly the seats are available in non-clinical branches. Okay, so that's the distribution. And if you want to go branch wise, then you can filter out the seat matrix, and in case you avail our support, then we will help you with the choice filling. How you need to do the choice filling, you need to remember that in case you do hit and trial method and after the seat allotment you don't join it, then you will be debarred from 2023 counseling. Means you won't be able to participate in the, you won't be able to attend the examination at all. So you have to fill only those choices which you really want to take. Okay, considering the bond, considering the stipend, and how good is the college for particular branch, considering where the college is located, and all other factors. Okay, our expert team will help you in that, like which are the colleges where you fill it, and you should not regret if you get the seat there. And you have to pay 50,000 of security deposit, and tomorrow the security deposit payment will start. At the same time, the choice filling will also start. So you have 3 days time, 6, 7, 8, and in these 3 days you have to complete your choice filling and all such things. So that's all from my side. You can contact us on this 9319128677. Thanks for watching.